Hi all, welcome to Code IQ. So in this video we are going to see about control statements in C. So what is control statement is it decides the flow of your program, which means from where to where it has to jump, from which line to which line it has to execute the next is decided by the control statements. And there are three types of control statements. One is decision making, next is looping statement, and next is jump statements. So in decision making we have if else, nested if else, and switch case statements. And in looping we have while loop, for loop, and do while loop. And in jump we have go to, continue, and break. So we will see all these statements in detail. So the first one we are going to see is decision making. In that, first one is if statement. So what is if statement? If statement is the syntax is the rule by which you have to write that statement. So the syntax of if statement is if within the bracket you have to give the condition, and if that condition is true then only these statements will be executed. If it is false, this set of block will not be executed. Now I will explain this with an example. In this program we have main function. So we have declared a variable called num. So we are entering a number. We are asking the user to enter a number. So printf enter a number, and in scanf we are reading the number. As this variable is of integer data type, we use %d. So if we are then the user will enter a number, correct? So if when the user enters a number, if it is greater than 0, then this printf will be executed. If it is less than or equal to 0, that statement, that printf will not be executed. So here enter a number, I have entered 10. That 10 is greater than 0. So the control goes within the loop and this printf is executed. So the number is positive is your output. So this if loop will be executed one and only when the condition becomes true. If this condition is false, this loop will not be executed. Thank you. See you in the next video.